guys, so it's the next morning and I basically spent my entire morning looking for my ring. So I put it on the microwave last night when I went to do potatoes and I don't know where it is. Now Sean sometimes will grab it and hide it from me. And I'm hoping he didn't. Like, I feel like I'm looking everywhere as if he, like, hid it. I kind of hope he did, but then at the same time, I'd be so mad. I spent all morning looking for it. Uh-oh. What you trying to grab? Your ice? Ice? Cup? So, I'm about to make some scrambled eggs in my Pampered Chef little cooker thing and edit some videos. And then, yeah, we're going to get ready to go to gymnastics. I've kind of done the dishes, done some laundry. I need to pick up before I leave the house. But I wanted to vlog today because I didn't get a lot done yesterday. But because today is gymnastics day and Selah has a new gym and it looks awesome, I wanted to kind of show y'all. So yeah, alright. Walker's playing cars. Or trucks, I guess that was trucks. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep looking for my rings, edit some videos, and yeah, pray for my husband, because if I find out that he hid them, I'm gonna be very upset. Here's my handsome boy. Hey, baby. Okay, so we're just working on cleaning up the living room, and I'll show you the kids' schedule in a minute. I got a video edited. I thought it was magic right here, but it's not. I need to find magic. But speaking of magic, my cats don't like her. My dogs love her, but my cats don't like her. So we'll have to see what happens. But a friend of mine found another abandoned kitten by her house and is looking for a home. So if y'all would like a kitten, please comment below. Let me know, because she needs a home. I'll try and insert a picture here. I'm not sure how to do that, but I will try. But I just don't think we can take on another kitten right now. She, as far as I know, is good with dogs and is eating dry cat food. So, if y'all would like another kitten, let me know. Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, oh. And she's gone. She's gonna play. Boom, boom, boom. Cat ninja. Do do do. Do do do. Ow! Ow! Did you throw a shoe at me? Ow! Would you like to put your shoes on? Would you like to put your shoes on? She's attacking the shoe. Oh, you want me to show it on the camera? You have dinosaur shoes. We need to get you some new shoes. You want to say hi? Turned my camera off, so apparently he is ready to go. So let me get them ready to go to gymnastics. It's okay. Hi, nice hat. Let me see your tongue. What color are you on?
Green.
Green.
And not on red.
Oh.
I talk with my mom and dad.
About things that you've done bad is when you talk to them on red. Socks, Walker. Yeah.
You were little, you never watch TV.
Not never, you just don't watch it that day. Come on. Come on. You want to put your socks and shoes on? Come sit down. Come on. Come on. Give me your feet. her get McDonald's, and she's like, I don't know.
Mom, I have the French fries.
French fries and apples.
But I don't want to just apples.
Oh, I'm sorry. What'd you eat? Just the apples then? Okay, off to gymnastics. She said bye. So Sean set up speakers here and on the other side of the shop where the bonfire is. So these came a little late since the chair was a fail, but I found these seasonings and rubs from Meat Church. Is this the Holy Cow? Everybody raves about this one. The Holy Cow. So there is where the other speaker is. And there's our burn pit. You can hear it so good over here. Get the pressure washer to start back up. I'm almost done pressure washing, but I'm not completely finished. I have the water hose here so I can wash off the porch. There's a lot of old paint flakes that kind of flaked up, and I'm gonna wash it off so that way tomorrow it's ready to paint. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and the chairs. I'm gonna paint those chairs down there so they're not ugly ground and kind of go from there. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. White. I didn't want to use the rest of the blue because I love the color and want to use it on a project I've already been thinking about. So I still have 1.5 cans left of that, so I can use that on the project. I still got to get the chickens up. I still got to get the chicks and the ducks up, and I still got to lock the gate and get the kids rolling into bed. So, you ready to lock the gate? Huh? Come on. Y'all, so we thought this was a cucumber plant. It has grown so big and so long. And guess what we found out? It's a pumpkin plant. We're gonna have pumpkins. Okay, so keep watching. I just showed a smidgen of, he's trying to help me put the chickens up. Look at him. Good job, Walker. Woohoo! Woohoo! Good job, Walker. Did you close them up? You gonna put them in the coop? I don't know. Are you gonna put them in the coop? He's trying to wrangle them up. I got my ducks over here ready to go to bed. I got the chickens, the baby chicks, in the tree. Whew, they're ready. So I gotta get their beds and everything cleaned out. So I just realized that the whole video before was zoomed in on my face. And yeah, so I'm having to video this part. So basically, if you like what you're seeing, just subscribe, share, all of the things like you've been doing. I can't say it enough. Every view, every like, every subscriber is a free and easy way to help us and to support us. I'm trying to start treating this like a business. It's something I enjoy doing. It's something that I feel like could help others. If you have any Pampered Chef questions, if you have any Scentsy questions, feel free to drop a comment. If you have any questions about any of the motherhood, or if you, anything, just drop a comment. I love y'all's advice, so please just let me know what you're enjoying. Like I said, the ducks are ready to go in, the chicks are ready to go in. They're getting big. I'm about to acclimate the chicks to the chicken coop. But they've been doing great outside of that. They've been outside for pretty much all day for the last week and a half. They just go out in the morning, and then I put them in the evening, and everybody's happy. So we're doing good, but yeah, I'm getting tired, so it's time. It is time. So, like I said, if y'all like videos like this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and make sure to share with everybody that you know. Oh, and find me on Facebook. We now have a YouTube group on Facebook. It is Life with Sutphin's YouTube vlog, video, whatever you want to call it, group. I will make sure to link it below. All right. Bye, guys.